Spanish tortilla de patatas is one of those recipes that I actually find really fun to make. I think it's really interesting, depending on how you use the ingredients, as you can already check in my other video. But it is true that we don't always have the time, the energy, the tools, and the oil to make such a recipe. Today we're gonna give a try to a shortcut that makes this recipe in only 5 minutes. Of course, I can already tell you I would never compare it to a traditional tortilla that you make from scratch, but it does give pretty good results if you make it properly. One last thing, before the purists go crazy in the comments. I didn't invent this recipe, but the great Ferran Adrià did. Basically, what we're gonna do here is substitute fresh potatoes for already crisps. As always in this life, the better the ingredients, the better the final result. In this case, we're using some fried potatoes from Spain, made only with extra virgin oil. That are only made with olive oil, and actually I can tell you the ingredients are literally potatoes, olive oil and salt. I don't know how difficult it is for you guys to find something that only has these little ingredients, but just the better the chips, the better the final result for us. Whatever, potatoes, patatas de bolsa we say in Spanish. Patatillas we say in Vigo actually. So we're gonna start by cracking 7 eggs in a bowl, and we're gonna whisk them, but make sure the whisk is all the time touching the bottom of the bowl. This way we don't add so much air, and so the final result is not so spongy. Unless you want it spongy, then just like this, until all the egg yolk and the white are perfectly integrated to each other. You may think we're using a lot of eggs for this amount of potatoes. Crisps are extremely dehydrated, and they are gonna soak up a lot of eggs. So we're gonna use 7 eggs for now, and we may add 1 more at the end. Okay, once we have it like this, everything is fully integrated, we're gonna open our crisps and we're gonna put them right in. Now here it depends on the style that you like better. If we make the effort to actually crush everything a lot until we get a little bit like a mashed potato thing, we would be making the second option that we made in the last video. In my case, I'm gonna try to aim for the third option, for a more Betanzo style. I don't wanna break it too much. I'm just gonna do this. I'm just gonna make sure all the potatoes are soaked with the egg. A little bit more maybe, but as I say, this is like really up to taste. We're not gonna salt it yet. Now we're gonna wait 5 to 10 minutes. So we leave time for the potatoes to soak a little bit of humidity, and we're gonna use these 10 minutes to actually cook some onion. Just like this. I don't want to be here in the kitchen for 1 hour, so in 5-10 minutes we're going to try to caramelize the onion as much as possible. We already have our pan preheated enough. I already did this even before starting the video. And here we're going to put our onion at high heat, and with a little bit of salt. That is going to help release all the water. There's no trick, you just put high heat, and as soon as it starts to get a little bit brown, a little bit of water. This little water is going to deglaze the brown parts, and it's also going to help release the natural sugar of the onion. Another material would be better for this technique, maybe stainless steel or something like that, but in this case we are on a shortcut. I don't want to use 3 pans for this. I'm going to use the same pan that I'm planning on using for the tortilla. By the way, meanwhile, we also mix this, so we distribute the egg properly. Already looking like one of those tortillas of my last videos, right? There's no tricks, it's actually the same thing. We already start seeing a little bit of toasted tones. Now a little bit of water. And we repeat this 2 more times within the 5 minutes that we're chilling our potato mix, and this is ready. Is this already caramelized enough? Maybe not. Do I have time for that? Also not. To me, it's already stir-fried, and I think it's already a perfect topping for our tortilla. Directly into our bowl. And this goes back into the fire because we want to preserve that heating. The potato is already pretty salty, but of course we have added 7 eggs, so we definitely need a couple of pinches of salt. I would say we could already just do it like this, but you know, we're gonna add an extra egg, why not? Just for extra creaminess. 8 eggs for 150 grams of crisps. It's a bit crazy, the ratio, but 150 grams of crisps is actually 300 or 400 grams of just confit potatoes or fried potatoes. A little bit of oil. All the edges of the pan are properly preheated. I have the fire on the lowest heat, and I'm gonna do it a little bit more. Also remember that we also need a little bit of oil here. Our tortilla goes all in, and then you know, it's nothing new. Just move it a little bit. We're gonna wait 1 minute, a minimum heat. We go with our typical movement of Spanish tortillero. There we go, little bit extra oil, and the tortilla slides back in. And again, we use our spatula to shape it round and beautiful. Okay, we wait 1 more minute. We can already move it also. By the way, look what a beautiful plate I got. And this is already And here we have it, Spanish tortilla in 10 minutes or even less if you don't need the onion. Now let's give it a try. I mean, you know, purists are not gonna like this, but absolutely worth it. It takes almost no effort. Of course, it's not better than the one that we made from scratch, but it's actually really good anyways. With a good quality ingredients like good potatoes and good egg, the result is perfect. And in less than 10 minutes, I've made dinner for me and for my partner. This is a recipe that I'm definitely gonna do more often. Don't thank me, but thank Ferran Adrià for the idea 35 years ago. And now let me know in the comments, how do you feel about these shortcuts on traditional recipes? Do you think it's useful? Do you think it's insulting? I'll be reading you all. See you in the next video.